good evening everyone. So this is my Picha Kucha presentation, and to begin with it, let me introduce myself first. So I am Ramos Riza Jane Bisina and currently studying with a course Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, and I am 18 years of age and I live in Purok Ono, Barangay Perpatag, Season, Surigao del Norte. So to know me more, you must know first my parents. So this is my father. His name is Roy Ancla Ramos and he is 43 years old and a tricycle driver and a barangay officials in our barangay. And next, this is my mother. Her name is Jusima Bisina Ramos and he's also a 43 years old and a housewife. So we're five in the family and I have two sisters. The first one is Rhea Jane Ramos Gales. She is already married. And the second one is Rachel Jane Vicina Ramos. So Rachel and I are both studying in Surigao Norte State University. And I am the third and last daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Roy Ancla Ramos. Way back in my elementary days, I studied at Season Central Elementary School located at Barangay San Pedro, Season, Surigao del Norte. And during my junior high school journey, I studied at Dakong Patag National High School located at Barangay Upper Patag, Season, Surigao del Norte. And also, in my senior high school journey, I studied at Northeastern Mindanao Colleges or NEMCO. It is located in Amat Street, Surigao City. And next, let me tell you what are my habits. So first is playing volleyball. So by playing volleyball, it helps me remove all the negativities I experience. So let me introduce to you my team. So first, I have the NEMCO Warriors. So we are the one who represents when there is a Inter-High League in Surigao City. And next, this is my team, which is Upper Patag Heaters or UP Heaters. So we are the one who represents when there is a Inter-Barangay League in Municipality of Sisan. So my second habit is singing. Although I'm not totally good in singing, but it is my way on how to express my feelings. And the third one is driving. So to tell you more about myself, I know how to drive different kinds of motorcycles and also a 3 wheels and a 4 wheels vehicles. So I am a good and safe driver. So the fourth one is dancing. So by dancing, it helps me remove all the body pain I've been feeling. And the next slides are my favorite foods, and also I've been craving those foods right now. And this is my favorite place to go where I can have a peaceful mind and a peaceful surroundings. So the next three slides are the people who are unforgettable and memorable to me. So first, I have here my section in senior high school journey, which is the Yum Scripton. And this is my circle of friends. So as you can see, we are all Disney princesses. And the last one are my church mates. So that would be all for my presentation. I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you and God bless.